how to fix TikTok hanging problem. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then after this you have to go directly to apps or applications, and you will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just go and open TikTok. And when you open TikTok guys, just go directly to storage. On storage, go directly to clear data, click OK, and you have to go back and click on first stop and click OK. And that's it guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.